going to be showing you how I made $17,000 online in 1 month. If you don't believe me, check out my payments right here. And if that's not enough proof for you, let me go ahead and pull up my PayPal account. So as you can see, I have $11,000 in balance, and there's all the money that I received from EarnSpot. Guys, let me show you all of the different things that you can do. So this task wall is the bread and butter. You can do surveys, you can download apps, and you can see all of the values of each one of these. So one survey would get you $176 or $30 or $29. It's seriously incredible, guys. You can refer people to the website, and for everybody that signs up, you get $10 for everybody that signs up under your link. You can make YouTube videos, TikToks, tweets. I'm making a YouTube video right now to get myself $30. As you can see, you can do all of this stuff right here. And for every dollar that you earn, you get a coin that you can redeem for AirPods and everything like that. But guys, if you enjoyed this video and want to earn some money, go down to the comment section below in the description and be sure to click on my link and sign up today.